Is that another floor with mattress and bed frames? Alright, this is looking real good. I like this place. There's another one downtown, so I'll probably check out the one downtown. This is not bad. I might have to find out if they have this in a gray, because this is not bad at all. Please, God, let me sit on it and it feels good. Guys, this is not bad. This is nice. It feels soft, like I didn't sink in. And I think it's supposed to be 54,000. The floor, I think I saw this. I think this is the one that Kai sent me. I have to look at the picture. I'm gonna have Guys, these aren't bad at all. I'm the only one up here. I'm always the only one here when I come to these furniture places and fabric places. This one's 42,000. I'm not mad at it. This is not bad, guys. This is much bigger than the other one. Like, the other one's cute, but it's so small. I didn't expect it to be so small. This is not bad either. This is a bit firmer. I don't know which one I like more, but this one's 42. It's actually not bad. I really like the cream color, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to ask. I'm gonna have to find out, and I really hope they do, because I seem to have some bad luck. This one's built funny. It's leaning forward. Look at this table, guys. This one's 69. It's coming from 115, but it's like a marble finish. These are the places y'all need to come to if you have the money, and like literally, even if you have a lot of money to spend, come here and get your money's worth. Like, a lot of Jamaicans don't do that. I don't know why, but they don't. Here's another one. This isn't my style, but this is cool. Also, the bed frame there. I wonder if I should be up here. I must be able to be up here, right? But I don't see anybody up here. I mean, it's not like I can steal anything, because where am I gonna go? This is $20,000. But this is ripped. See, I think some of these are probably refurbished. This is definitely the sales floor. It reminds me of a thrift store. Like, this makes me so happy. Oh my god. Oh, I wanna be careful. This lamp is cool. Like, these are things that I would buy for cheap and refurbish. I don't understand how hot this is making me. This is really like a thrift store. Huh. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. This is cool. How much are they paying for this one? I don't see a price on this one. Oh, that one doesn't have legs over there. Guys, I'm telling y'all, you can do some DIY crazy stuff. Like, I've been watching so much DIY videos on YouTube. Now I feel like I can do it all. Which you can. It's probably gonna get real dark. Because some of these are really good quality wood. This is not bad at all. I mean, these couches are, unless you're good with leather and like extreme DIY, like some of these other serious YouTubers are, like to refurbish these, I wouldn't recommend the everyday person to buy these unless you can really do some serious DIY. Oh, those are drawers over there. Not bad at all. These are so cool. I'm sorry. This reminds me of a thrift store. You know how hard it is to find thrift stores in Jamaica, especially for furniture. So if you want to come down here and come up on this, I think this is the 3rd floor. Then come up here and get some stuff and DIY it and watch some Lone Fox and XO McKenna and do the dang job. Like, you know, save your money. They got wardrobes. You guys know I'm not a wardrobe person. I got a wedgie and there's nobody else here, so I'm gonna fix my wedgie. Look at this, for $19,000. You can do something with this. I don't know what, but you can do something. Let me go. Oh, they got little side tables. See, so what I would do is, okay, I'm gonna find the couch first. I'd like that one. I don't mind that one. And then I don't mind the one that was all the way in the front. Those were fine to me. I'm gonna find the couch first, then I might get those things. See, those have wood, like water problems, so I wouldn't get that. And it's going for, I think these prices are going mainly for the wood, because it's probably some actual really good quality wood, but they're not in the best condition. But again, like, if you're a wood maker and you don't want to put in a lot of money to actually make some wood, you can buy these and refurbish them and then resell them. Ah, that's all I'm saying. Alright guys, I'm gonna go take a picture of this couch so I can show these people and find out some more stuff about them. And then I'll go up on the top floor and then I'll be right back. Sorry, my camera is moving too fast. Alright guys, so I'm going to go down to the other side of the store. I guess there's another side. There's a little pharmacy there. I wonder what they got. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna check out the other side. It's a very big store. I thought I was done. I need to go to Tutti Frutti. But yeah, I'm gonna check this out real quick. Oh, they have more appliances in here too, like fridge and stove and washing machine. And then I'm going to head on the road. I won't stay long. I might come back and I'll bring you guys along for the downtown one. So this is just gonna be a very long couch shopping video. So I'll be right back. I might not be able to record inside because the security is watching me. So I'll take pictures, and if I can't record, I'll just take pictures and show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, so I'm inside, and I know I said I was gonna like show you guys the couches, but I looked at them and I didn't see anything. Didn't see anything I liked. I'm definitely gonna go check out the one downtown. What's tomorrow? Tuesday? I might check that one out Tuesday, or I might just bite the bullet and wait and check it out, you know, probably Thursday. I'll check it out Thursday. I won't go tomorrow because I want to read my notes tomorrow. I want to read my notes today too. But yeah, they have a bunch of bed frame and chest of drawers and wardrobe, so coffee tables. They have a lot of stuff here. It's just I didn't see any couch that I liked. This one was really hard. Jamaicans, comment down below why on like, oh no, don't answer this. I'm not gonna be biased. I'm gonna do a proper poll. Comment down below which one do you like, soft couches, firm couches, or couches that are a mixture of both, and let me know why. Leave a comment down below. Yeah. All right, so I gotta go because it's 1:20 and I have about 40 minutes, less than 40 minutes, well 30 minutes, 40 minutes to get back to where I need to get back to. So I'll see you guys. All right guys, unfortunately for me, I didn't see anything. I only saw 2 couches. I'll go and pop the pictures back up again right here. So if anything, I'm gonna check downtown. And then I will check the Kemlani Mart downtown. If I don't see anything, then what I'll do is I'll just bite the bullet and get the couch from Quartz, because I need to go check out Singer. I think I went to one. No, I don't think I went to any Singer actually. I didn't get to go to any Singer, so I'm going to check out Singer. So hopefully I see something at Singer. Yeah, I gotta go now. I was just coming back here to check in with you guys, get you an update. So you probably won't be seeing me again for this vlog until Thursday. So I'll see you Thursday again for couch shopping. Make sure you like the video. All right, good afternoon guys. So I'm gonna end off, I thought I was gonna end off the shopping for a couch, ooh, it's starting to rain, video, the last clip, but I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna get the gray couch, the first couch that I saw. I'm just gonna bite the bullet. Sorry, I need to wind up my window because it's raining. Yeah, I'm just gonna bite the bullet. On my way now. I'm on my lunch break. My road rage, man. I don't even have road rage. It's just road stupidity from these other drivers. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get the couch now. I've just, you know, like, all right, I'm not gonna get any other couch that I like for any better price, so I might as well just go do it. So I'm at Quartz and I'm about to go do it. Yeah, it's raining, but I got my umbrella. Ella, oh my god, look at those crabs. Oh, you can barely see it. She's Did I get some crab? I was gonna get lunch either way. What I wanted to do as well is to go get some juice because I have absolutely no juice in my refrigerator. I'm a pull in. I don't like to pull in, but I don't got the energy to reverse in right now. And I want to run in, go be like, I'm buying this right now, and get it and go. And I got these masks from Mommy. These black Victoria's Secret masks. They're really cute. So let me put this right here really quickly. Can you see me? I'm gonna just cut this out. So, oopsies, it's raining. I'm gonna try to keep my neck straight. Ooh, look at my neck. It's raining, but here's courts. Gonna just walk around to the front, and then when I get inside, I'll talk back to you guys. Bye. All right, guys, so I'm here inside. I'm waiting for the sale agent, but she's on the phone, so I'm trying to wait for her to finish. But yeah, I'm just gonna tell her, listen, this is the one I want. Not this, but this is the one I want, and just go with it. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this real quick because there's a song playing in the background, but this is the couch I got. I got my receipts and everything, and it will be delivered in 2 days, so I'll show you it then. Alright guys, so like I said, I purchased the couch. Class starts back soon, and the line for the tasties is rough, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go is on this side? Yeah, I'm gonna go and drive around and just probably stop at like KFC or something, so hopefully KFC line along. And yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Maybe I'll show some clips after this of how I, you know, like putting in the sofa in the house and everything. So yeah, but regardless, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.